Step number 5 for the Flawless in 5 deep dive. Step number 5 is the blush step. This is our powder blush. We have 7 different colors. This one is Nectar. I chose it because a lot of clients like it because it's like orgasma. Apparently people are like, oh my gosh, it's just like this, but it's like crazy clean. I just put a little bit on the end of the brush. I'm gonna knock it off. I just do the apples of my cheeks. And that's it, you know, just a little bit. And that's how much color I got. Looks like this. You'll also notice that the packaging is all recyclable. We have really made strides here in the last couple of years of trying to swap out as much stuff as we can with glass or paper. So this is made out of paper. So this entire thing is recyclable. These colors really flatter all skin tones. And there's a ray in between the 7 different colors between matte and a tiny little bit of sheen. Buildable and blendable colors. You still get all the look and all of the glam without all of the toxic ingredients. Step number 5, Satin Powder Blush in the Flawless in 5 kit.